By 2026, everything changes. Because we, Gen Z, are no longer just interns or freshers, we become a major part of the global workforce, nearly 30% of the workforce. And that means one thing: we finally have the power to change how the world works. We know what doesn't work anymore: rigid office rules, degree-only hiring, linear career paths, lifetime jobs without learning. That's not us. We want skills, we want flexibility, we want meaningful work, not just tasks. We want leaders who coach, not command. Work is evolving. And so are we. In 2026 and beyond, skills will matter more than certificates. Continuous learning, especially AI and digital skills, becomes essential. Hybrid work is normal. Mental health and well-being are non-negotiable side hustles, and portfolio careers are the new reality. We're not afraid to move, switch, explore, or reinvent. We don't stay somewhere out of fear. We stay where we grow. So here's the truth: companies that evolve with us will thrive. Those that don't will watch their talent walk away. Gen Z isn't the future anymore. We are the now. And we're shaping the workplace our way, with purpose, learning, flexibility, and freedom.